We have a swivel set. Quick update. I went to a lot of different junkyards and I was not able to find the part that I'm looking for. As soon as I got home, I went online and looked for the part, and I was able to find one that I ordered and it's supposed to come in a couple of days. In the meantime, I'm not going to stop working on the van. No. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on installing the swivel. That's right, I have a swivel in the garage that's been there for a while, and today I'm going to install it. I hope you enjoy. I think I'm done with this. Let's see how it is. I'm about to turn it around and see if it works. We have a swivel set. This is pretty neat. All right, the installation is complete. I repeat, the swivel seat installation is complete. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty excited about this. Not only I can walk from the front to the back, I can turn the entire passenger seat around and open up the space as if it's a huge living room. I can host more people, I have an extra spot where I can hang out or do work. It's gonna be awesome. I love it. The only thing that I'm missing now is the seatbelt buckle assembly, and I've ordered it online and it's supposed to come in a couple of days. As soon as it comes, I'm just going to install it so I don't have that warning anymore. And then the last thing I would have to do in this area under the seat is the installation of the heater. Once I'm done with that, I can call this entire space done. The next thing I have to work on is the shower, but that will be a video for later. In any case, thank you for watching. Till next time.